Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is energy transfer? How everything moves and changes. What if everything you see, everything you feel, everything that moves is all connected by one invisible force, energy? Right now, as you're watching this, energy is flowing through your body, through your screen, through the air around you. And without it, nothing would move, nothing would change, nothing would exist. So what exactly is energy transfer, and why does it control almost everything in our universe? Let's explore. First, let's understand energy itself. Energy is the ability to do work, to cause motion, to create change. But energy doesn't just stay in one place. It moves, it shifts, it transfers. And that movement is what makes the world work. This is called energy transfer. Energy transfer is the process of energy moving from one object to another, from one form to another, and it happens constantly, every second. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine holding a hot cup of coffee. Your hand feels warm. Why? Because heat energy is transferring from the coffee to your hand. That's energy transfer in action. There are three main ways energy moves: conduction, convection, and radiation. Let's break them down. First, conduction. This is energy transfer through direct contact. When two objects touch, energy moves from the hotter object to the cooler one, like touching a hot pan. Heat travels from the pan to your hand. Next, convection. This happens in fluids, like liquids and gases. Energy moves through the movement of the fluid itself. Warm air rises, cool air sinks, creating a cycle. This is how heat spreads in a room, or how boiling water moves in a pot. And finally, radiation. This is energy transfer without direct contact. Energy travels through waves, like sunlight reaching Earth, even through the vacuum of space. That's why you feel the sun's warmth, even though it's millions of kilometers away. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Energy doesn't disappear. It transforms. This is known as the law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only changed. For example, when you eat food, chemical energy in the food becomes kinetic energy as you move, and thermal energy as your body produces heat. Even your thoughts, your heartbeat, your breathing, all powered by energy transfer. Let's look at another example: a bouncing ball. When you drop it, potential energy turns into kinetic energy. When it hits the ground, some energy becomes sound, some becomes heat, and some pushes the ball back up. Energy is always moving, always transforming. Now think bigger. Power plants convert energy from fuel into electricity. That electricity travels through wires into your home, powering lights, devices, everything you use. Even nature depends on energy transfer. Plants absorb sunlight, turning light energy into chemical energy. Animals eat plants, transferring that energy again. It's a chain, a system, a constant flow, and you are part of it right now. Your body is converting energy, maintaining balance, keeping you alive. Every step you take, every word you speak is powered by energy transfer. Take a moment. Look around you. Everything moving, everything changing is driven by this invisible process. Energy transfer. Once you understand it, you start to see the world differently, not as separate objects, but as connected systems, constantly exchanging energy. And that's what makes life possible. If this helped you understand the world better, you're already thinking like a scientist. Stay curious. Keep asking questions, and I'll see you in the next lesson. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.